In this video, we discuss the current situation in the Bitcoin market. Right now, it has surpassed the 71,000 mark and continues to grow. I want to draw your attention to the possible formation of a pattern known as an ascending wedge. This is a bearish pattern, but as long as we are within it, we remain bullish as we are moving upward. However, as soon as a breakthrough occurs below the support, we may see a larger correction. By the way, I would like to remind you that when you register through my referral link in the description under the video on Bybit, you will receive exchange bonuses up to $30,000. If you want to trade on the best exchange, then go ahead, like, and let's move on. In this case, the target will be the lower part of the pattern, which will be around 60 or 67,000, or even somewhere here, if this is the point you consider the beginning of the pattern. That is, somewhere around 57,000. This is quite possible. We may see a correction of about 30% from where we are now. This is quite reasonable. This is definitely a possibility. We already know Bitcoin and understand that volatility is normal, both upward and downward. However, I have seen how ascending wedges in a bull market break upwards. This is something we should also pay attention to. Thus, an ascending wedge in a bear market is very likely to break down because it is a bearish pattern. But a bearish pattern in a bullish trend doesn't necessarily have a greater chance of breaking down. I can't give you exact odds here, but I would say it's more like a coin toss, up or down, rather than a 70% chance of going down, as is usually the case. If you find an ascending wedge in an area where we are moving sideways, or in a more bearish environment, then there is definitely a 70% chance of a breakdown. Right now, I think it's a toss-up. This is just my humble opinion. Because if we compare this to this chart where all the moving averages intersect, it's a bullish sign, and we are now breaking out of this long-term range that we've been seeing for quite some time. So Bitcoin looks very healthy, and probably the biggest target we should be looking at right now is the 0.618 Fibonacci extension level, which is at $100,000. The Fibonacci level coincides exactly with the level of $100,000, which excites me about this particular target. Right now, my long position in Bitcoin is exploding with profit. As you can see, we have significantly exceeded the level of $100,000 in profit. Guys, I want to remind you that if you want to trade only on the best exchange, follow my referral link in the description. Register and take a bonus of up to $30,000. Transitioning to Bybit. We have very profitable positions. I opened this long position in Bitcoin, and we have already made $9,000 on it, which, you know, is not bad. And on this Bitcoin USDT position, we have already made $240,000. And on NGIN, we have made almost $40,000, which is incredible. Let me know in the comments if you have opened any of these positions because all our long positions are now profitable, which is simply extraordinary. On Ethereum, we have made closer and closer to $100,000 in profit, and on Phantom, we have made $26,000 on $25,000. So we took a bit of profit off the table. I think it's reasonable. Nobody ever went broke taking a profit. This is also a phrase I like to say because it's true. Okay. So this is what I see for Bitcoin right now. Let's look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is now breaking the $4,000 mark. I need Bitcoin to break higher for Ethereum to break higher, I would say. If we see a correction here, it won't be so good because then we'll get a double top. But if we can make a clean break above $4,000, that would be great. And then we hopefully will see Ethereum break higher, hopefully, within this week, I would say. Don't forget that when you register through my referral link on Bybit, you will receive a bunch of bonuses up to $30,000. Good luck, everyone. See you there. Bye-bye.